So you're selling on Etsy and wondering if AWeber is the right email marketing tool for you? Or maybe you're already using it but not sure how to get the most out of it. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'll break down exactly how AWeber works for Etsy sellers and why it might not be the best choice depending on your goals. Plus, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial for a better option at the end. First things first, AWeber is an email marketing tool that lets you capture leads, send automated emails, and create newsletters. If you sell on Etsy, you can use it to build an email list of past customers and potential buyers. But here's the catch, Etsy doesn't let you automatically sync customer emails with AWeber, so you have to manually collect emails or use a workaround like a lead magnet on your Etsy Shop's About section or through social media. Next thing, ***AWeber's automation tools are decent, but basic ***. You can set up welcome sequences, abandoned cart emails, if you collect emails before checkout, and promo campaigns. However, compared to platforms like Klaviyo or ConvertKit, AWeber's automation features feel limited. If you're serious about segmenting your audience and personalizing emails based on purchase history, you might find AWeber lacking. Another key point, ***AWeber's landing pages and sign-up forms ***. Since Etsy doesn't provide direct email marketing tools, you'll need a way to capture leads outside of Etsy. AWeber lets you create simple landing pages with opt-in forms, but they don't feel as polished or customizable as what you get with other platforms like GetResponse or MailerLite. If you're planning to build an engaged email list, you might find yourself looking for something more advanced pretty quickly. The fourth thing, ***pricing ***. AWeber has a free plan, but it's limited to 500 subscribers and adds branding to emails. If you want full features, the paid plans can get expensive compared to alternatives. And when you're running an Etsy shop, every expense matters. So, should you use AWeber for Etsy? It's okay if you're just starting and need something simple, but if you want better automation, more integrations, and higher email deliverability, there are stronger options. That's why I've linked an exclusive extended free trial for a better alternative below, plus a few other top picks depending on your goals. Check them out, get the best deal, and start growing your Etsy business the right way.